Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and you always ask, Stu, can you go over voidable, all that kind of jazz when it comes to real estate contracts? And you got it. So, let's take a look at this first question. A lease agreement is signed by a lessee who is 16 years of age. Which of the following is true? A, the lease agreement is void. B, the lease agreement is voidable. C, the lease agreement is valid provided security deposit is increased. D, 16-year-old person cannot sign a lease. So, there are some state-specific exceptions to this. Actually, the only state-specific exception is California. So if you're watching anywhere else in the country, this is going to 100% apply. However, we're going to knock off two answers. We're going to knock off C and we're going to knock off D. So C read, the lease agreement is valid provided security deposit is increased. And we don't know what the security deposit is. We don't know what the security deposit laws are. So, that might not be applicable. And also, the contract, the lease is not dependent on that increase to make it valid. That's not what would lack. That's not one of the requirements to create an essential lease, right? To create an essential contract. So an increased security deposit would do bupkis. And that is an official statement. That would do bupkis. 16-year-old person cannot sign a lease. They can. There's many scenarios in which they can, except in California, where it is illegal for minors to enter into contracts. Okay? So a 16-year-old can sign a lease, okay? Certainly can, but we're trying to figure out, is it void or is it voidable? Because it is one of those. It is one of those. So, in every state in the country, other than California, it is going to be voidable. Basically, what happens is this. Any contract with a minor is going to be, as long as legality is there. Remember, we have to have legal object. Okay? If we don't have legal object, it's void. Okay? So if a minor enters into a contract to purchase cigarettes from me, tobacco from me, so if a 16-year-old wants to purchase 15 cartons of Marlboro Reds, can't happen. It is a void contract. However, if the minor is just a minor and the contract has legal object, it is voidable. And a lease is a legal object. And the contract would be voidable. So, guys, I hope you like that one. If you do, you know exactly what you need to do for me. Hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Come back, watch a video, share it with some of your friends, family, whoever's working on getting their real estate license, or even if they're thinking about it and they're like, man, I've heard this test is hard. Let them know, hey, Stu's got your back, and we're going to be able to help you out with that. So, like I said, hit that like button, hit subscribe, share it out with friends and family across the country so we could help them pass their real estate exam. And I'm going to see you guys real soon.